Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an acai bowl, so let's get started with the video. First, slightly thaw 2 packs of frozen acai by letting it thaw at room temperature or placing it in warm water for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, prepare the fruit that you're going to put on top of your acai bowl. I'm putting bananas, strawberries, and blueberries on top of my bowl. So after washing my blueberries, I cut up a banana, and then I sliced some strawberries. Once you finish preparing your fruit, set them to the side. By now the acai should be slightly thawed, which means you can go ahead and place it in the blender. Once you've added the acai, add half a frozen banana, half a cup of frozen mixed berries, and a 1/4 cup of dairy or non-dairy milk. Next, place the lid back on the blender and blend everything together until smooth. Once you finish blending everything together, pour the acai into a bowl. Then evenly spread it throughout the bowl and smooth out the top. Now add your toppings. You can add whatever toppings you like. I added the fruit I prepared before, some peanut butter. By the way, you can just heat up peanut butter until it's smooth and creamy and then drizzle it on. You don't have to put it in a piping bag and pipe it on the way I did. Next, I added some blueberries, then I sprinkled some coconut shavings and granola on top. And finally, I drizzled some honey on top as well. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This acai bowl was so good and refreshing. It was also sweet, healthy, and super easy to make. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!